Today we're going to be talking about essential detailing products, and they're so essential I think you should be carrying these around in your car. Hi guys, so welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name's Matt, and as I say, today we're going to be taking a quick look at some products that I think are that essential you probably should carry them around in your car with you. So quickly, just to get this out of the way, I've always carried in all of my cars a bottle of shampoo solution. This has served me well. There's been times where I have literally ran out of the car for 5 minutes, come back, been parked next to a lamppost of all things, and then the birds have just dropped the guts all over it. So this couple of microfiber towels in the car, it served me all right for a number of years. But now I've got another new car. This time it's black. So there's a couple of things that's triggered me, and the reason for this video is, one, as I say, it's black. Two, the door pockets are such a weird shape, I cannot just sit a bottle in it upright like I have done on the last two cars. And three, we've now got a child, so I know we're going to have to keep some cleaning products in the cars because there are going to be the unfortunate spills and mess in there. So yeah, before we get on to which products I'm going to be selecting and the essential products, I just want to say I bought this little boot liner, this boot bag, whatever you want to call it, off eBay, and probably less than a tenner. Decent size actually. I can probably get about 6 bottles in there and a bunch of cloths. I'm picking, I think, 5. I've sort of planned it in my head what I want. 5 products and a bunch of cloths. So yeah, this as well, just to let you know, it came already. I think they've stapled some Velcro to the back here and also onto the bottom, so this could sit in the boot against the back seat or something. There's a couple of pockets because it's an estate, it's going to sit there. I'd show you, but the missus has taken the car. So anyway, what products are we going to be going with? What do I think is essential? Well, of course, just through habit, this actual bottle has followed me for about 10 years now. I'm going to chuck this in. This is just a shampoo solution. It's just water with a drop of shampoo in it. It helps. It does what I need it to do, just to get the bird muck and all of that stuff off the car until you get home and you can do a proper clean. Now, on a more serious note, what else should we really be having? Again, I have kind of pre-planned this, but up here we have, it's in an Auto Fanatics bottle, but it's actually Sonac's Brilliant Shine Detailer, mixed 50-50 with water and the BSD, which is a quick detailer. So the problem I found using just a shampoo solution is if I wipe the car over with that, I had no water to rinse it off with, and it actually affected the wax and the beading behaviour. So if I jumped out there, cleaned the bird muck off, when it next rained, there was a flat spot just where obviously the residues from this is detailed online shampoo. Nothing against that, it just leaves some residue behind because I've not been able to rinse it myself. Anyway, in other circumstances where it might just be a small mark or whatever, I've got some quick detailer. And then finally, to go with all of this, I'm going to go with, the guys have kindly sent me out and topped me up, some Stiana Gloss Silk. And this is a high gloss detailing spray. So what I'd probably do with this is, if I had something nasty, I'd probably use the shampoo, clean that off, and then use this just to kind of try and remove it. I'll probably leave a bottle of water in as well just to rinse it, but this can just add a little bit of shine if you're really desperate. As I said, all this is just a luxury, I know, first world problems, but yeah, we're into keeping our cars clean. Some of you guys, I know some people actually will sit in the car park while they're waiting to pick up the partner or start the shift, and will actually clean parts of the car. Each to their own. I'm just using this for emergencies basically. So moving along, what else are we going to need? Well, that's pretty much the exterior sort of the shampoo and a couple of quick detailing options, a protection option thrown in there. We're also going to need, in my opinion, because of sticky fingers and doggy nose print, Jeff's just sat over there, we're going to need a glass cleaner. So there is one somewhere. All my glass cleaners at the back. Let's have a look. We'll take this one. We'll throw a glass cleaner in. This is Easy Car Care's Clarity 2.0. We'll throw in a glass cleaner and an interior. Again, the guys over at Stiana Gloss have kindly sent me some in here, which I used last week on a video. I'll put a link to that up there. This interior cleaner, the reason I'm picking this is this can be used on everything. I've got upholstered seats in this car. My last couple, it's been leather, so I would have had probably a leather cleaner, but this can be used on leather, it can be used on upholstered fabric interiors, it can be used even on glass, so I probably wouldn't even need that glass cleaner, but it can be used on glass, it can be used on touch screens, be used on the dash. This can be used everywhere. So we're going to go with an interior cleaner. So I think overall, that's the exterior and interior covered. As I say, we're going to go with the Sonax BSD in there. We have bottle of shampoo, and we've got Stiana Gloss Silk. So that's going to be sorting out the paintwork for any bird bombs or anything like that. That's really all I'm interested in, is getting bird bombs off there as quickly as possible. And for sticky fingerprints, we'll have a window cleaner and a all-purpose interior cleaner. Next, we're going to need some cloths, and just like magic, I've already got them ready, so I'll go and grab them now. So cloth wise then, as I said, I've already got those ready. Over the years, all I've ever really had is just a couple of these generic yellow mag fibers thrown in the back seats. So I'm going to be chucking one of those in for the really dirty jobs, like I said, bird bombs and whatnot. We have here a really plush one from Valet Pro. I'm going to keep that bagged up. That's from Valet Pro, thank you guys. And then I'm going to have another generic but red. That's going to be for interior use. And the mint merkin from Dodo Juice, which is a glass cloth. So got my products, got my cloths, just need to chuck them in this bag. I'm sure you can watch if you really want to. So yeah, this bench is a bit of a mess, sorry about that. I've just been far too busy to keep things tidy these days. So as I say, this is the nice little bag that we've got. Scrubber dubber featured in a recent video. A couple of triggers that I've been playing about with. Why is this bench wet? Let's just grab my hand towel. What have I been doing? I don't know. I've been doing something, but anyway, it's wet. Let's dry it. There we go. That's why there's towels everywhere. So what do we want? We want silk. I need a trigger head. I will put that on shortly. We need the BSD, trigger facing inwards, and the shampoo solution can go there. And then on this side, we will have an interior cleaner and a glass cleaner. Make sure all of these are either off or tightened down. Don't want anything accidentally spraying whilst in there. So we've got glass, we have exterior, and we have interior, and also we have this, the ultra plush one. I'm going to, in fact, I'll probably bag all of these up. Let's see if I can get these just in here a moment. I can go there. Glass cloth over here with the glass product. And let's just fold these two up. There's a tag. There's a tag. I need to take the tag off. I will remember, don't worry. Boom! Not too shabby. And there we go. That's that. If you really want to have a look, let's have a quick look inside them. So as you can see then, we've got everything organised. We've got the silk just there, so I just need to put a trigger on it. Soapy solution and BSD. And then we have the innie and the glass cleaner. Bunch of cloths. Glass cloth is somehow got crushed down back of there. Interior, exterior, and then plush. Happy days. So yeah, that's the kit bag all done. In fact, this is so much of a kit bag. Not only does it help you stay clean whilst out and about, if you ended up at an impromptu car meet, you've got everything you need, just have a nice car and win the show and shine at the end of the day. So yeah, in fact, this, seriously though, this little bag here would be ideal for just a little kit bag. You can probably squeeze in 8 products in there, take everything you need for a car show: a waterless wash, a quick detailer, a glass cleaner, maybe a wheel cleaner if you was going to a car meet, and then another, probably buy 2 of these, another one just full of towels, mitts, and a couple of brushes if you need. But yeah, that's going to keep me nice and happy. Have that in the boot of the car for emergencies. I know what you're thinking, it's not really an emergency, but hey, we're all detailers, we're all a little bit crackers, you know what I mean. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, hope you found it useful and it's gave you some ideas what products to keep in your car. If you have, smash that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed. There'll be an icon just up here now for you guys. And as always, I'll put a couple of videos around here. Make sure you check those out after this one, and we'll see you in the next video.